me dyeing my hair today. Got some Manic Panic blonde bleach stuff. Got some reusable gloves. I started off really strong. I thought I would separate my hair and do sections and layers. Only drink a little bit. Once I mixed the stuff together, I was afraid I was gonna die of fumes because I was in the half bath downstairs. It's very tiny, no ventilation. And I really thought, I was like, look, my hair was already blonde down here once. I bet I could just follow those lines. It'll be so easy. Immediately something felt off trying to do it this way with my hand. And I remembered, hey, doesn't my stylist use foil? So I just threw that one in a piece of foil and kind of watered it up. And then started on a second piece. That one came out a little better. I really thought the foil would, you know, make it easier and get it out of my way while it's developing and stuff. Then we go on to the second layer, and this is where some issues start to happen because I just take a giant chunk. I'm like, yeah, we can do this. But I'm like, oh, it's not really probably saturating the whole strand. I'm just gonna take it out of the foil and freestyle it here. And then I accidentally just keep going higher and higher on the head. I don't know if you noticed that. So over here on the other side, I had to kind of match it. Oh, I also got sick of the foil at this point, just ripped it all out. F it. Yeah, so I'm just, it gets a little problematic. I feel like I'm just putting so much bleach in my hair right now. Just like higher and higher, and then I'm like, oh, I gotta match it over here, because I did it over there. And then I just use the whole rest of the box. And right here, you can see I'm contemplating, why am I doing this? 20 minutes later, I'm like, okay, this looks pretty blonde. Wash it, dry it. Yeah, this should do. I'm still pretty amazed by how much blonde I put in my hair. This is not exactly what I meant. Oh, I sneezed. I used some chapstick or lip balm or whatever to outline my face, and then I got some purple dye on my face while I was trying to do that. The black dye I'm using is just some Garnier. I used to use that when I was in high school. It was my favorite. It's very cheap also. Look at it, it doesn't even look black. Woo. This is, yeah. Just gonna skim through all this part. Put the purple in. Purple is a lot brighter than I imagined. I don't know, because it's semi-permanent, so I just didn't realize how bright it was going to be. And then I just do the technique I did with the blonde and just start, you know, piling it in there. And then we're doing the top. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm just painting it on. And then I realize, oh, there's like layers underneath that part. I should probably go ahead and get underneath. Indiscriminately, no idea what I'm doing. Getting the back was extremely hard, I would say. Yeah, I had to like look in the mirror then I attempted to just like saturate it all. Like, oh, there's no way it'll be messed up. Look how purple this is. So this is how it ended up. I'm honestly surprised.